I'm Mel from Two Sleepyheads, and today I'll be showing how to create random shapes that looks like 3D in the Adobe Illustrator using the Inflate tool, which everyone loves and is blowing up on the internet. So let's go! Okay, first up we will just use the brush tool and just scribble any shape that you want. For now, I'm just randomly scribbling shapes out, but if you have a shape in mind or you're really good at shape, you're an artist, a designer, probably do this better than I do. Or you can find a shape online that you like and trace it out. That will do. For now, we're just doing quick shape using the brush tool to show you how to create this inflated 3D shapes. Alright, I think there's enough shapes for now. Let's just change the color of the shapes with the eyedropper tool, shortcut key I, and you're gonna make this really colorful. So one color each for one shape. It's not really a design, just to show you how to create this 3D shape. Okay, now select one, go to Effect, go to 3D Material and Inflate. You can see there's a depth already. And now we can adjust the depth and also the volume if you want to. So let's increase the depth. So as you adjust, you can shift it, adjust the material as well, so they can change the metallic, which is where the light shines. So you can do the same for all. Inflate, adjust the depth, adjust the material, adjust the lighting if you want to. So this is really just free and easy. We always choose to adjust the metallic so that it looks a little bit more realistic in a sense, because the light will be shining from different angle. But if you don't want to, you can also adjust the roughness as well. So the roughness will also show how realistic the entire shape is. So if you want to change the lighting, you can change the intensity as well, and also where the light shines. So under lighting, there's actually different settings for the different area you want. The standard diffuse, top left, top right, depends on where you want the light to shine. So this is just how we do it. Just going to show you all different settings. Just play with it, just have fun, you know, this design. And yeah, so that's all. It's very easy. Just change the roughness. The roughness and the metallic is the most important tool I would suggest, and it will really change how 3D it looks. Yeah, so you can change the lighting if you want to. If not, you can change the roughness and metallic. So yeah, that's all. Very easy. Change the depth, change the lighting, change the metallic, and the roughness. The roughness is very important as well. This is just a very easy video showing you how to use the Inflate tool to create these shapes. You can adjust it if you want to. If you want to inflate both sides, you can select inflate both sides, which means that both sides of this shape is inflated, as you can see. Yep, that's what it means to select inflate both sides. If you don't select both sides, the other side will actually be flat. So if you increase the volume, you see if you decrease the volume, the whole entire shape has been flattened. So it looks like a flattened mole, like a jelly mole, but flattened. And so it depends on what kind of effect you're looking at, and this is just a very easy video to show you how to create this design. So now we're just going to change the background to make this whole thing nicer. We're going to use our favorite gradient mesh just for fun. You don't have to do this. This is just to show you how the overall can look like. So imagine you using the shape that you like and changing the background to gradient using the same color palette. It would look pretty good, I would think. So if you want to know more about gradient mesh, do check out other video as well. And we also have other 3D Inflate tool videos on our channel where you can see how you can create flowers or even heart shape that is a little bit more 3D using Adobe Illustrator, which is really pretty cool. Alright, that's all for now. This is the design. Let us know what you think. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Do follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also visit our website at twosleepyheads.com and drop us an email or DM if you need any help with creative services, or you need any branding design, packaging design, social media, and so on and so forth. Also, if you want to learn how to better your design skills, do like this video, hit like, subscribe button, See you next time. Bye.